This is a Ridgeway grandfather clock. I don't know the model of it because it doesn't say one like they usually do right here in Ridgeway clocks. Well, you may notice the numbers are missing. They fell off one long time ago. But the clock is in nice condition otherwise. It's a little hard to see, but there's the pendulum, the weights. Ridgeway, time flies in Latin, tempus fugit. And then there's the lever, or you want to turn it on silent or chime. Apparently was a little off or out of sequence. I just started this thing up, so I am going to do the chimes. And by the way, this is at a friend's house. I got it for an anniversary, I think. And that's about it.